Van Buren County higher. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Saline County and central Arkansas, west central Pulaski County and central Arkansas, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Williams Junction, or 14 miles northeast of Hot Springs Village, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chenal Valley, Avila, Ferndale, Perrin, Congo. Location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Lone Oak County and central Arkansas, southeastern Pulaski County and central Arkansas, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sweet Home, or near downtown Little Rock, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Wrightsville, Sweet Home, Estes, Toltec Mount State Park, Scott, Bocum, Higgins, Willow Beach, Toltec, College Station, Terry Lock and Dam, Rose City.
Only, not for those who have already been diagnosed.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EPAUSE open cap EAS feed configuration test message.